Ever felt like you're playing a financial tightrope walker, balancing bills and unexpected expenses with the precision of a circus performer? You know the feeling. Payday feels miles away, and that unexpected car repair or that looming electricity bill is starting to feel like a personal attack on your wallet. It's that moment when you think, is there anyone out there who gets it? You're not alone. Millions of Australians face similar cash flow challenges, and that's where solutions like Beforepay come into the picture. But the real question is, how do they actually qualify you? It's not magic, but it's designed to be a helping hand, not a financial shackle. Let's peel back the layers and understand the process. Instead of diving straight into a list of requirements, let's look at it from a practical angle. Imagine you're a responsible person, you have a job, and you need a little help bridging the gap between paychecks. Beforepay understands that life throws curveballs. They're not looking for perfect credit scores or a history of flawless financial decisions. They're looking for signs of stability and responsible financial behavior. So, how do they assess this? The core of their qualification process revolves around your income and spending habits. They need to see that you have a regular income stream. This is usually verified by linking your bank account to the Beforepay app. This allows them to see your pay deposits and ensure you have a consistent source of funds. They're not just looking at the amount, but also the frequency. This helps them understand your regular income cycle. Next, they analyze your spending habits. They're looking for responsible spending patterns. Are you consistently spending more than you earn? Are you frequently overdrawing your account? These are red flags that suggest you might struggle to repay any advances. On the flip side, consistent spending within your means and a history of paying bills on time are positive indicators. Now, let's talk about the specific criteria. They look at your employment history, ensuring a minimum period of regular income. They also look at the consistency of your pay. They want to ensure you have a reliable income source. Beforepay also considers your bank account history, looking for consistent deposits and responsible spending. They're looking to provide a service that helps, not hinders your financial well-being. It's important to understand that Beforepay isn't a loan in the traditional sense. It's a pay advance service. They're providing you access to a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. Therefore, the qualification process is tailored to assessing your ability to repay that advance from your upcoming paycheck. This is why a regular income is so critical. The key takeaway is that Beforepay focuses on your recent financial behavior. They're not dwelling on past mistakes. They're looking at your current situation and assessing your ability to manage a small advance responsibly. They're attempting to assess your ability to repay, given your immediate incoming income. They are not looking for a perfect financial history, but rather a demonstration of current, responsible financial habits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.